now, for the last number, in the number 15, the hour given is 7x over x plus 4, x minus 6. So, ang first step na gawin natin ay hanapin mo natin yung derivatives. So, 7x, magiging 7 naman siya, tatanggalin naman natin yung x. So, next step lang. Ganun lang ulit. So, 12 yan din ang gawin natin. X plus 4, x minus 6. So, how we get this now? How we get this one? X plus x, 2x, then positive 4, plus 4, minus, then negative 6 is negative 2. So, next step ay expand na natin. So, x squared minus 2x minus 24, 7 minus 7x and 2x minus 2 over x plus 4 and x minus 6 square. So, simplify na natin siya. So, x squared plus 7, 7x squared, then 7 times, negative 2x times 7, which is negative 14x, then negative 24 times 7, which is negative 168, minus, ganun naman multiply lang natin, 7 times 2, 14x squared, then minus, 7x, negative 2 times negative 14x over x plus 4, x minus 6 squared. Okay, and then, magka-cancel out naman tayo dito. So, ang 7x squared minus, ay negative 14x, negative 168, minus 14x squared plus 14x. So, makakancel natin yung 14, negative 14 and yung positive 14. Then, so the final answer will be f of x equal negative 7x squared minus 168 over x plus 4, x minus 6 squared. I squared pala.
Well done.